So we met this woman who roasts corn by the roadside under scorching sun and in the rain just to survive. A mother, a hustler, and a fighter. We saw her and we knew that we had to do something. With the little we had, we offered support. Despite everything, she's not waiting for help to come. She's out there hustling to train her kids. And we are very glad that we met someone smile today. Every act of kindness, no matter how little, matters a lot in somebody's life. Show kindness today.